Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to lock a sports watch, and this, with the rubber. Make sure it's rubber, and if it's not, then this trick won't work, and if it does, it probably won't come out. And then you're going to need something sharp. I personally use a mail opener, but anything of your choice is fine, as long as it's flat, durable, and has a point. What you're going to do first is put it in through this hole, right? Then put the metal piece, which is this little thing right here, the first hole, and you can make it as tight as you want. I just use the first hole for introductions. Take this moving rubber piece and quickly slide it through. And now the metal piece is on top, like inside, I should say. Tug on it. Boom! It's locked. And for proof, watch. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's locked. Now to get it out, all you gotta do is take this point, start poking through it like this, loosen it up, and try not to damage as much as possible. You could use a knife, but make sure it's dull, because you don't want to damage the rubber forever. Okay, then see if you could then turn it around. Oops. And ow. Okay, careful. Be careful. And pull it out. And it should usually come off after some time. There we go. It's out. Pull this rubber piece back. Push it. Oh, wait. And now it's normal. All you gotta do is push it like that. Get it out. And that's about it. Tell me what you thought.